Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Robinhood options trading. Options contracts give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a specific price by a certain date. Robinhood makes options accessible for eligible users. You'll encounter two main types: calls, which bet on price increases, and puts, which bet on price decreases. Remember, options trading carries substantial risk, so it's crucial to understand the mechanics before you begin. To start trading options on Robinhood, you first need to apply and get approved. This process involves meeting specific financial criteria and demonstrating a certain level of investing experience. You can easily find the application within the investing section of your Robinhood app. It's a straightforward process, but remember, approval is not guaranteed, and it's essential to fully grasp the associated risks before submitting your application. Once approved, placing an options trade is quite simple. First, select the stock you're interested in, then tap Trade and choose Trade Options. Next, you'll pick an expiration date and a strike price that aligns with your strategy. Decide if you want to buy a call, expecting a price increase, or a put, anticipating a decrease. Always review your order details carefully, including the premium, before executing the trade. Managing your options positions effectively is key. Regularly monitor your open trades for any market changes that might affect their value. You have the flexibility to close an option position at any time before its expiration by simply selling it back. Be aware that options can expire worthless if the underlying asset doesn't reach the strike price. Also, if you're selling options, understand the potential for assignment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.